fishing village.
Hi everyone, it's Nataliedrewy here. In this video, I will show you the Venice of Hong Kong, Tai O fishing village. Unlike the city centre's hustle and bustle, Tai O fishing village is a peaceful, calm backwater. It is very much the rural Hong Kong of last century. This is a place to completely de-stress. The ferry to Mui Wo leaves from Pier 6 in Central.
The internet is wrong. It's bus one. Bus one. And then I think it's about $20, $29, $36. I can feel my skin burning.
This billboard is celebrating the 26th anniversary of the return of Hong Kong to China.
Literally just... Can you draw it back? Can you go backwards? Reverse. Reverse.
Here you can see the dragon boat practices for races that take place every year for the Dragon Boat Festival, which this year will be held on the 24th and 25th of June.
Take footages of street food, seafood, dried seafood. Actually, it was chicken tube, yeah.
Because a foreigner cannot try before.
哦，
佢哋唔食啊，因為佢見到黑掹掹咧，佢唔食。
佢驚啊。
係啦。
Oh, thank you.
Try later, two fingers.
Okay, yeah, we will.
I'm scared.
多謝 Thank you. Mango mochi. A fresh mango.
Lots of curios and like dried seafood. I get so confused. Do they have to physically go out?
What do you mean physically?
Fish it all up.
Yeah.
And then come back and dry it with salt.
Yeah, they have to leave it out in the sun for a few days. These are salted egg yolks. Sounds strange, but when added to a coating mix for fish skin, prawns, etc., it is really delicious.
Tai O Heritage Hotel.
The Tai O police station was built in 1902 to stop pirates. It provides stunning views of Tai O fishing village and provides a distinct memory of Hong Kong's colonial past.
Please, let it work. Yeah! It works! Over here. There's an air con. Yes! Oh, whoa.
Oh, it's nice.
You can actually stay. Oh, that's the hotel room.
Oh yeah, because this used to be a police station. That's why they have bullet holes.
Oh, this has been here for 120 years. Okay.
Damn.
Oh. Yeah, 1902. Wow. All the reception is there. But we don't need the reception. We don't need to check in. We're only here to...
Can I like check in for like...
Oh, so the restaurant is upstairs. It's actually quite small. They only have a few rooms. They don't have that many rooms. So you drink to dehydrate. Wait, no, to hydrate, not dehydrate.
When you come to Tai O, take the Sampan.
Curry fish ball. Oh gosh. Oh, it's hot. Oh, hot. It's a little hot. Spicy. You can see the fish meat in there. Good quality. Yes, this is well known. Oh, here. Okay, so this is tofu, sweet tofu. This is almond tofu, and this is stone grinded tofu. I'll try it. Very almondy. This is good. This is good. Okay, and then this one. Stone grinded. This is good. It's like tofu, but if you eat it with sugar, it's yummy. And it's cold for the weather.
Here we entered Tai O's own museum called the Tai O Rural Committee Historic and Cultural Showroom. It shows off a lot of old Hong Kong's fishing village memorabilia.
Oh wow, that's a very furry net.
We took a different route back using the number 11 bus to take us to Tung Chung. Here we are back in modern Hong Kong. Thanks for dropping by and see you in Tsim Sha Tsui. If you like my videos, please slam the like and subscribe button.